reporting from the BTV studio. Today is Tuesday, March 28th, and it's American Diabetes Association Alert Day, which is one day wake-up call about the seriousness of diabetes and encourages all to take the diabetes risk test and learn about your family's history of diabetes. Aside from health awareness, it's also playoff Sprit. Ooh, that's what I forgot. Spirit Day for our Lady Bears soccer team, who will face Harlingen in round 2 of the playoffs in Corpus Christi. BFND Lady Bears in your Class 6A area playoff match today at 6 p.m. at Corpus Calallen. Congrats to our Golden Stars, who were crowned Grand National Champions at the National MA Dance Competition this weekend. Way to dance, ladies. Kudos to our Lady Bears bowling team with an amazing run at the state. They finished 6th in the qualifying round. The top 12 teams advanced to the championship brackets, with our Lady Bears up against 11th-seeded New Braunfels, Canyon, and swept them 2-0 to advance to the Elite 8. They then faced 4th-seeded Lee and took the first game in an exciting finish where junior Maya Green closed out Lee 144 to 143. But Lee stormed back, taking the second and third games to eliminate the Lady Bears, who end their season as the top 8 Texas team. Way to represent Brennan, ladies. Make plans to attend Brennan's college, career, and military fair tomorrow during your lunch periods. The fair will provide an opportunity for students in all grade levels to speak one-on-one with over 30 colleges, universities, employers, and military representatives. Kudos to our UIL academic teams at the district competition among the top placements. Martina Sanchez took first place in copy editing and in computer science. Brennan Valdez placed third, with Tommy Cooper placing third in editorial. In literary criticism, Zahira Monma took third, and in social studies, Caleb Austin McCreeve placed second. Also, Brennan teams placed second in social studies, second in computer science, third in calculator applications, and third literary criticism. Way to compete, UIL academic teams. Let's also wish orchestra and guitar musicians luck at the Region 29 UIL solo and an ensemble competition today. Play on Bears. Now to sports. Sadly, our Lady Bears softball team fell to Harlan Hawks in a close 5-4 loss this past Friday. Harlan got on the board, first scoring 4 runs. The Lady Bears fought back, tying it up in the last bat. Harlan scored one last run for the win. Way to battle, ladies. Let's wish them well as they face Taft Lady Bears at 5 p.m. at Northside Field 2 tomorrow. BFND Lady Bears. Congrats to our Bears baseball team on their 14-4 win versus the Holmes Huskies. The Bears scored 2 runs in the first inning, adding 4 more in the second, 3 in third, and finishing up with 5 more in the fourth. The game was called due to the 10th run rule. Let's wish them well today as they face J Mustangs at 4:45 p.m. at Northside Field 2. BFND Bears. Way to compete, Bears varsity track and field teams with your first place win at the Panther Invitational meet last week. Good luck this Thursday at the NISD meet at Gus Stadium. BFND Bears. Now for golf news. Today, district golf tournaments continue with our Lady Bears shooting for their 3rd regional tournament qualification in a row. Hopefully they'll finish first or second to qualify as a team. Individually, Nevaeh Figueroa, one of the top players in the district, has a shot at the finishing first or second in the district tournament at the Golf Club of Texas. This could qualify her. Individually, BFND Lady Bears. As for Bears golf, the guys compete tomorrow and Thursday with returning individual district champ Cole Bowles, leading a strong team and shooting for a team qualification to the regional tournament. BFND Bears. Remember that Student Council is collecting new and gently used t-shirts to support Northside Threads. Look for a box in A204 or at the front office. The drive ends April 4th, so do some spring cleaning and help those in need. Finally, Bears, BHS Debate Club is selling t-shirts for $10. I have to agree that you'll love the message. Find a debate student or come by C108 to order yours by this Thursday, March 30th. Well, this is all we have for today. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you miss any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. If you have any analysis for BTV, please email Mr. Cerna at fernando.cerna@nisd.net. I'm Ren, signing up from BTV Studio. Remember, Bears, your success hinges heavily on your positive mindset, so stay engaged in your learning. Have a great day, Bears.
This is a BTV production.